we love the sense of community and the people and the lifestyle that paddleboarding has.
Yeah.
You know, I see everyone kind of getting together for a common goal and just having fun.
And you see families just getting out in the water with their children.
I love that.
You think they're just introducing them to a lifestyle.
I love that,
Instead
yeah.
of telling them how to live their life, they're showing them how to live their life. So it's a lifestyle.
And it's getting people outdoors in nature, and you're getting a workout without realizing you're getting a workout,
You got
which
it.
is incredible.
Without a question. When I'm paddling and I'm paddling through the nature preserve and everything, I don't feel like I'm working out, but I am getting a workout.
An amazing workout.
amazing,
Yeah,
yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
That's why we also make different models, is because you have people that want to go for a long distance
Yeah.
touring, or they're racing, or some people are just going down the river, you know, fishing.
If you're someone that's never tried it or scared to try it, don't be.
Yeah.
Don't be. Just give it a go. You know, your first time you might go in circles.
Yep.
But guess what? The next time you're going to start seeing seals and dolphins, or you're at a lake and you're seeing cliffs in Arizona, you keep it in your trunk and you break it out once a year. I'm a big fan of lead by example. When I see a dad out there paddling with their kid, I feel like they're not preaching to them, they're just showing them a lifestyle. There's kids that work here, interesting, but they've been paddling since they were 9, and now they're 28 and they work renting and coaching.
It's a lifestyle.
It's a family, yeah. It's a
Yeah, it
family,
really is.
yeah. Well, I think you
know,
guys
it's
have
the
changed
community.
the soft top industry
You
and the
know.
accessories, and my staff. It's funny, but they're all like, because they like the boards, they all want a hat, you know.
Yeah,
So it's
there
so
you
funny.
go.
I walk here and I see my staff wearing hats, and I'm like, it's so funny to just
You know,
watch
you see
it,
that little
watch
the
it
bison
grow.
on the
Yeah.
board everywhere. We were just down in San Diego for the Hano Hano race. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but it is one of the largest paddle races in California.
Yeah.
And it was one of those things where that's why we were there, is because we really wanted to test out the archipelago, throw it into the fire, and see how it held up against these other boards. And I think I held my own pretty good.
There you go.
You know, and so that makes me really happy to hear that you have some real experience with that.
Yeah.